Hello guys and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be going over Hostinger. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So just before we get started with the Hostinger tutorial, let's just get an overview on what Hostinger is all about and what it is. Hostinger is a web hosting company known for its affordable hosting plans and user-friendly services, making it a popular choice for individuals and small businesses looking to create an online presence. Now, it was established in 2004. Ever since then, Hostinger has grown to become a well-regarded name in the web hosting industry. Now, here's an overview of Hostinger's key features and services. First is the affordable hosting plans. So it has a variety of different plans. Hostinger offers a range of hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS, which is known as virtual private server, hosting, and cloud hosting. Now for the pricing, it's known for its competitive pricing. Hostinger provides options for users with different needs and budgets, making it particularly attractive for those looking for cost-effective solutions. Number 2 is user-friendly interface. With the ease of use, Hostinger is designed to be user-friendly with a simple, intuitive control panel that makes managing hosting accounts and websites very straightforward, even for beginners. It also has a custom control panel. Instead of using standard cPanel that many hosting providers offer, Hostinger developed its own control panel, which is tailored to be more accessible for users. Now the third one is the performance and reliability. You have uptime guarantee. Hostinger promises high uptime rates, which is crucial for the reliability of websites. It also has speed optimization. So the company focuses on providing fast loading times with features like SSD storage, optimized servers, and caching tools. You also have customer support. So 24/7 support. Hostinger offers around-the-clock customer support through live chat and email, which is noted for being responsive as well as helpful. Now with the knowledge base, there's also an extensive knowledge base available, providing guides, tutorials, and answers to frequently answered questions, or frequently asked questions, so an FAQ. Number 5 is domain and email services. So free domain. Certain hosting plans come with free domain name, which is a bonus for users setting up a brand new website. Now I would say that this is particularly great, especially to have a free domain name, because with different website providers or any website builders, you will notice that you have to pay a separate plan for the domain name, especially for the year or per month. So depending on the ownership, it could be 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. It's great the fact that Hostinger is providing a free domain name with the hosting plan that you'll pay for. And that could either be a year or 2. So it just depends on the plan that you choose. You do also have email hosting. So Hostinger also provides email hosting services, allowing users to have professional email addresses associated with their domain. 6th is the WordPress optimization. So if you guys don't already know, it does have WordPress optimization. So it is WordPress friendly. Hostinger offers WordPress optimized hosting plans, which include one-click WordPress installation, plugins, as well as themes. It also has WordPress support. So specialized support for WordPress related queries is available. Now with the additional features, you do have a website builder integrated in there. So Hostinger includes a free website builder with drag and drop functionality in its hosting plans, making it easy to create and customize websites, and we'll take a look at that later on in the video. You do also have security features, so it provides security features like SSL certificates, regular backups, and protection against malware and DDoS attacks. Now, for the use cases, I would say that if you want to use Hostinger, you could use it for personal websites and blogs. So given its affordability and ease of use, Hostinger is a good choice for individuals looking to start personal websites or blogs. As well as this, it is great for small to medium businesses. So small to medium businesses can benefit from Hostinger's cost-effective plans, and establish features and grow their online presence. So plenty of reasons as to why you should use Hostinger, especially if you are a small to medium business. It does have WordPress sites, so with its WordPress optimization, Hostinger is suitable for users looking to create or migrate WordPress websites. So you can actually migrate some WordPress websites onto Hostinger if you wanted to, but that all depends if you want to integrate to Hostinger. So you can see Hostinger is recognized for offering web hosting services that strike a balance between affordability, ease of use, and comprehensive set of features. I would say it's a viable option for those new to web hosting as well, or operating maybe on a tight budget, so without significant sacrifices in performance and support. I would say that Hostinger would be the perfect platform for you. So as with any hosting service, it's always important for potential users to assess specific needs and read up to date reviews and user feedback to ensure that the Hostinger aligns with your requirements. But that's pretty much what Hostinger is all about. Now that we've got a bit of an overview, we'll go ahead and take a look at the different pricing plans that Hostinger has to offer. So here we have the Hostinger web hosting prices. So you have three different options here, one being premium, one being business, and one being cloud startup. Now you can see that you do have a 78% discount, 73% discount, and 55% discount. So that's only probably the sale that they have at the minute, as the usual prices is $11.99, $14.99, and $19.99. But at the minute it is $2.59, $3.99, and £8.99. Anyway, going through each of the pricing plans, I want to start off with the premium one. So premium one is £2.59 per month, and when you do renew, it becomes £5.99. Now the top features are standard performance, 100 websites, 100 GB of SSD storage, weekly backups, unlimited free SSL, unlimited bandwidth, free email, and free domain, with a value of £8.99. What you don't get with the top features is free CDN, dedicated IP address, and that is pretty much it for the top features. Now with the Manage WordPress, you don't get WooCommerce, so that means if you don't get WooCommerce, that instantly means that there's no e-commerce website. WooCommerce is the only plugin that's available to turn your standard basic WordPress site into an e-commerce site, so that's something to note when you are using Hostinger. Now, with the Manage WordPress, you do have a free automatic website migration. It's free one-click as well, so WordPress installation. You've got WordPress acceleration, so that's light speed. You've got WordPress auto updates, WordPress vulnerability scanner, WordPress multi-site. You've got WP-CLI and CHH, or SSH, sorry. So if you don't know what that is, that's your command line, which allows you to update plugins, change configurations, and much more without using a web browser. You can see what you don't get, which is WordPress staging tool. You've got no object cache for WordPress, on-demand backup, as well as WordPress AI tools. So these could be very handy if you do need them. So the next one there is no code website builder. So yes, it is a drag and drop website builder. It has AI website creation. It's got 150 designer crafted templates. You do have Google Analytics integration, marketing integration as well. You've got AI copywriting tool, AI heat maps. You've got AI SEO tool. You've got e-commerce features, 0% transaction fees, and 20+ payment methods. Now with the security, it's standard DDoS protection, web application firewall, Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner, secure access manager, and free domain. So with the Who is privacy protection with the value of £8.99. So again, you're getting pretty good value for what it is. You do have service and support, 30-day money-back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, global data centers, 24/7 customer support, but you don't get priority support. Now there are plenty more here, as you can see, with the technical details, and this is the last one. So 400,000 iNodes, you've got 40 PHP workers, you've got 25,000 visits monthly, 100 subdomains, get access, multiple PHP versions, SSH access, unlimited databases, DNS management, unlimited FTP accounts, unlimited cron jobs. You've got cache manager, powerful control panel. So pretty good stuff, especially for the price of £2.59 per month. So that roughly works to around £31 and 8p for the entire year. Now, if you were to go for the business one, for the annual payment, it would be £47 and £88. Now, for the cloud startup, you're looking to pay 107 and 88 pence. So you can see the difference between all of them there. So especially if you do renew, it's a £5.99 per month when you do renew. I'm guessing this would be £2.59 for the first month, or £3.99 for the first month, or £8.99 for the first month, or it could be for the first 3 months. So that is pretty much each of the plans. Now, the difference with the business and cloud startup is you do have e-commerce integrated on this. With the managed WordPress, you can see that you do have the basic WooCommerce optimization. With the managed WordPress, you do have the standard WooCommerce. So nothing to worry about there with these two, especially if you are wanting to create an e-commerce platform, then business and cloud startup would be the best options to go through. So that's pretty much it for the pricing plan. Now we'll take a look at the website builder itself. So just before we move on to the website builder, just for you guys to see, it is £2.59 per month plus 3 months for free. So that is a fairly good deal, especially if you are creating a Hostinger website. You can see a little bit of the Hostinger preview site there as well. So we'll actually just jump into the website builder for you guys to see. So when you do log in, you have the option to log in with Google, or you can sign up through an account. Now this is what Hostinger looks like, as you can see. So we currently have our homepage here. So we've got our couple of different websites there, and if you want to just open up a website, you could just select the websites on the top there. And this is where we can add or migrate a website. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a website. So we've got our hosting plan here. So we're just going to go with the premium web hosting. So I'll just select that plan for now. And it'll ask you, what is your website type? So do note as well, you do need to have a plan set in place in order for you guys to use Hostinger. Other than that, if you don't have a plan, you aren't able to use Hostinger. There's no trial period, unfortunately, but you do get your money back guaranteed if you aren't satisfied with the service. Anyway, getting back to the video, we do have different website types. So the first one there is your online store. You've got your blog as well. You've got your business. You've got portfolio and other. So if you want to, you can go ahead and skip and select I don't want a personalized experience. But what we're going to do is we'll create a non-e-commerce website. So I'm just going to go for a blog site. So I'll just select this. So this is where it'll say we can either create or migrate a website. So a couple of options here. We can create a new website. So start building your website with WordPress or other content management system. Or we can migrate my website, so transfer an existing website to Hostinger. So what we're going to do is create a new website. So this is the cool part. This is where we're going to be asked to select a platform. So we can either go for an AI builder or we can go for a WordPress builder. So it depends on what you want to do. So this is the most recommended for business and portfolio. So it's going to say personalized AI generated website, beginner friendly, no code required, included e-commerce solution and dedicated live support team. Whilst the WordPress is more customization options, you have e-commerce plugin available, lots of tutorials online, but you do need experience. So just to showcase the AI builder, again, this would be the best option. I would say if you are a beginner, then this would be the best platform to choose. So just go for the AI builder and select. So this is where it'll just say choose a domain. This is where we have the option to buy a domain, and this is where we can search for a domain. So if I just search a profile tree.com and search, you can see that the domain is taken. However, we do have the option to go ahead and select another available domain. So there's profiletree.info, profiletree.shop, profiletree.org. You could see how cheap the domains are as well. So 99p per year. You have £3.99 per year. So that is more or less the cheapest there. Let's just have a look through. So the most expensive one, it all really depends on the ending, you see. So profiletree.ai, so that's $64.99. And there's Pro there, which is 99, so or .io, which is 32.99. So that's the dearest, I would say. But profiletree.com is taken for obvious reasons. Of course, we own the domain ourselves, but that's how you would go ahead and buy a domain name on Hostinger. Anyway, you can go ahead and use an existing domain, or you can choose a domain that you already have on Hostinger. We'll just select the webdesignpros.co.uk. I'm just going to go ahead and select that. And you can see that we're now being redirected to the website builder itself. So here we have the let AI create you a website in minutes. So we'll go ahead and try it out. Now, again, there are some pre-made templates, which we will look at first before we actually start creating. So just to showcase it for you guys. So they have several different types of templates that you may decide to use. Now you can go ahead and select all templates, and you have the option for fashion, technology, e-commerce, community, popular templates, photography, entertainment, travel, restaurants, blank templates, portfolio, marketing, health and beauty, services, landing pages, resume, events, home and decor, and blog. So loads of options to choose from when you are deciding to go for a template. So you can go ahead and preview these templates if you want to. They have several different options there. They have at least 15 pages, which is great to see. And I would say that their templates are modernized. They are great to look at as well. So as a visitor who wants to just have an instant built website, then I can go ahead and hop onto Hostinger and select a fully customizable website template. You do have the option as well to go for a blank site if you want to. So if you feel that you're creative enough to go for it, by all means go for a blank site. But in my opinion, it would be best to start off with a template or even go for an AI generated one. So again, just wanted to showcase that for you guys, as they do have a lot of different templates. You can also search for them as well. So if I say design, so digital, let's have a look and see if we can do digital marketing. So it'll give me ones that are closest to digital marketing. So I would say that this is the best one there, the one at the very top, which is Flynn, Deauville, and we have Ribbit, Black, Kerr, Monk. So they're pretty funky names. They're not really names that are dedicated towards it, like content marketing or digital marketing. Not the ones that you would normally see on a Wix site or any other site. Some of them, of course, will tend to have names. So if you take a look at some of the WordPress site, there's 2024, 2023. So those are like the default names. That's what they will tend to have. So again, a bunch of different options there, up until 6 pages, and that's what's showing results for digital marketing. Now I could try and see if there's one for mechanical. Let's see if there's one for mechanical. Completely throw it off here. So here's a generated template. There's a couple of generated templates. So that's what it's trying to offer for us. There's an automotive one, which is pretty nice. You can see how well the actual site's been structured. Nice and simplistic. Very, very simple. So there's not a lot to it as well. Just a very, very simple website. However, it is still functional. You have the desktop version, tablet version, as well as the mobile. So you can go ahead and select Start Building. But for now, what I want to showcase is the actual AI Builder. So I'm going to go ahead and search up AI Builder. See if we can find the AI Builder here. So here we are. So this is use the power of AI to create a website. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that. So start creating a website. Enter the brand name. We'll just say Profiletree. Website type, we're going to say that we're a blog. Description. So I'm actually going to use ChatGPT to create me a description. So create a description for profile tree. So I would actually recommend to always have an AI tool beside you, especially ChatGPT. ChatGPT is brilliant for all of this. I actually have it on my other screen here, but this is the tool that I use, especially when I need descriptions or content. Then I would normally use this. Now, some website builders have their own AI integration where it would just create a bit of text for you straight away, but Hostinger doesn't actually have this, but it does have an AI website builder. So I'm just using ChatGPT to create a description for us, so I can copy and paste it in. So I'll actually just skip ahead until I've got the content. So I've got the description for it, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste that in. So that's about 700 characters. So that should be enough. Let's just have a look. Okay, happy enough with that. Personalization settings. We'll just say minimalistic. Colors. My color palette. I'm going to say light, dark, accent. I'm going to say 33 BC 77. Because that is one of our colors. And with the dark, I'm just going to double check our dark colors. So here we go. I've got the brand colors in, and I'm happy enough with how that is. So I'm going to go ahead and create the website. So just takes a couple of seconds, if not maybe a minute or two, for it to produce the website. So I'll go ahead and skip ahead until that's created. So here we go. Here we have the profile tree website. And we have two pages, which is a blog page and our home page. Now everything is a drag and drop builder, so I can just drag and drop things into here, as you can see. A very, very simple website builder to use for sure. We even have an AI writer, so create content on web development. So generate that text and see what it comes up with. So you can see how fast that's created. So web development is a constantly evolving field. I can go ahead and add that into the bottom here. So instead of having this, remove that. I'll go ahead and move this down. We've actually got blocks in the back just to assist with the placement. So I'm just going to delete that. I don't need that anymore. And remove this. Bring it down. And then I'm going to edit that text, and the color will be white. And then with this, edit text as well, realign that to the left. And then have that a little bit more in, like so. So you see how easy it is. I can even edit that text and say, welcome to profile tree. So very, very easy, very simple. I actually want to move that to the left, and you can see with the image in the background, I'll edit that section, replace the image for something a little bit nicer. So they do have images as well. Let's have a look. Digital marketing. Okay, like so, digital marketing. Go for a basic one here. So let's just say we'll go for this one, just for now. And you can see that I can anchor that as well. So if I decide to have an anchor, so like a menu item, instead of different pages, then I can anchor that name. So this is if I link something on this. So if I have links to the top header here. So if I edit that editor, and then of course we have our different pages, then I can have the anchor name on this, and then that'll drop us down to where we need to. But anyway, I'll go ahead and edit that section, go ahead and hit the anchor name, I'm gonna go ahead and say hero section. Hero section, just like so. And that's it named. So with this, what you need to know about the site is the left side primarily. You've got your different elements here, so that's all your elements. You've got text, button, add to bag, which is a button really, image, gallery, video, shape, map, Instagram feed, so a bit of social media integration. You've got social icons as well for social media integration as well. So if I could drop that in, you can see some of the social icons. I can go ahead and link that if I need to. So click edit, put it to where I need to be. So profile tree, like so, and then that'll link me to profile tree. You've even got like notifications as to what steps you've completed, which is great to see. Keeps you on track on the website development. You've got a contact form, subscribe, embed code, as well as the product search. So pretty cool stuff here. Now on top of this, you have your pages navigation. So currently we have 2 pages. Now this is what I mean with adding a link. So link is hero section. Then I can have the link to here. And I could actually open a new tab if I need to. So we're going to say section, and we've named one called hero section, and then we're going to go ahead and save that. So if I preview this now, you'll have hero section. You'll see how it moves me down. So that's now linked to this hero section. So overall, the editor itself is just very, very basic. It's very simple to use. Again, I would recommend to use the AI website builder rather than the WordPress one, especially if you don't really know too much on the different plugins that you have to use, and then the plugins to enable you to create a drag and drop website builder. There is quite a lot to learn from the actual WordPress itself. It will take time. So my advice is use the AI website builder, gain an understanding on website creation if you don't already know how to do website creation. Hostinger can provide that, as you can see. Very simple editor to use. Only if you use their actual editor, their website builder, and not the WordPress integration. So this is the AI one anyway, so it is very, very easy to use. You do have different areas there, like blog and website styles, but they're again very simple to use. And of course you have online store, so you can add a store if you want to. That means you do have that integration for a website, e-commerce site. So that all depends on the plan that you choose though, so please be aware of that. But yeah, that is overall what the AI website builder is on Hostinger. Now if I showcase the different templates, so I'll go back and showcase the different templates. So we'll just go and skip the personalized experience, and then we'll go and create a new website. We'll skip, use an existing domain. See, what was we'll just have, I'll go ahead and skip this until I reach the templates. So now we're being redirected to the website builder. So keep a note that however many websites you create, you have a cap till 100. So create as many websites as you want, delete some of them if you need to. You are just really getting the hang of it as well, and you can have a set domain for one. So be as creative as you can. So we're now on the website builder here, as you can see, and we're just going to select one of the normal templates. I'll just go ahead and start building. So these are the pre-built templates that Hostinger has to offer. Now there's several different ones as well. Again, if I were you guys, I would go for some of the pre-built templates. It's very easy to customize then. You can make sure that anything that you customize will be towards your business. So say for this example, this image, I can go ahead and change that to another image style if I wanted to. So I can have it, instead of the hands, I can just have like a fire or something like that. So it just really depends on what you want to create. But yeah, very simple website builder to use. It is a drag and drop after all, so I would 100% recommend it. Hostinger itself is a very fast website builder as well. So you don't get any issues with delays. You can see how fast everything works and flows well. So overall, it's just a fantastic website builder to use. But guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. Hopefully you found it helpful, and hopefully that opens your eyes onto some of the website builders that are out there as well. So Hostinger being one of them, I would say that it's a very good platform to create a website on, especially if you are a beginner or if you're expert as well, then you can do some WordPress integrations. But guys, as I said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.